Huawei is using the Snapdragon 695 for the first time, although with a rather interesting twist, because the device they just launched does not come under the Huawei brand, but has been launched by one of China Telecom's subsidiaries. However, this device is from Huawei because we have seen this Maimang series present for many generations, and at times it became the Mate Lite series that Huawei brought to this side of the world. So it is a device that has all the DNA of Huawei, but it is using the Snapdragon 695 with 5G, something that Huawei has not been allowed to do until now. However, since it does not carry the Huawei brand, it seems they have managed to hack the system. This device has a 6.78-inch curved screen with 5K resolution and a dimming rate of 2160 Hz. In the photography section, we will find the main 50-megapixel camera with an f/1.8 aperture, a 2-megapixel depth camera, and on the front, we will find an 8-megapixel camera. As you can see, we are talking about a lower mid-range device, quite simple in terms of the photographic system. Although the screen is AMOLED, it is curved, and the battery is very notable because it reaches a capacity of 6,100 mAh. It also has a thickness of 7.98 millimeters and weighs 189 g, which is quite remarkable considering the high battery capacity it has. It is excellent news that it is becoming more common to see phones with more than 5,000 mAh batteries, unlike the vast majority of devices from last year, the year before, and the year before that, which for a long time repeated 5,000 mAh. The charging power is 40 watts and it comes in two configurations, 8GB RAM with 256GB storage or 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. The most basic version has an announced price for China of 1,999 yuan. Evidently, this device is not going to reach the global market because it has been launched specifically by a Chinese telecommunications company. But it is important that Huawei is working in this way to also be able to launch this type of device with 5G.